Hi guys, Mike Dyson with MarineMax in San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for stopping by. Just received this brand new 2021 Trophy 21 bay. Got it cleaned up and put on the showroom. Wanted to show it to you. Really cool boat, really versatile. Bay boats in general are probably the most versatile boats on the market. You can obviously fish the bays. This one's got enough freeboard and enough V in the shape of the hull to go off in some rough water as well. But I tell you, a lot of people, especially in Central Texas, they'll load up the family and go to the lake and pull tubes, gears, just enjoy a day on the water. Very multi-purpose platform. This one's done in black hull, which is really striking. Got the Mercury 150 4-stroke, just the workhorse 150 that we've all come to love. It's about as bulletproof a motor as you can ask for. Obviously got the optional T-top on this one. Did the optional stainless package also, so the rub rail switches to stainless, and so does the interior cup holders, those sorts of things. Got both swim steps, as I mentioned. Great for if you're gonna do some wade fishing, reboarding. But I tell you, just swimming, playing with the kids and stuff, you've also got an easy way to get it back in the boat. Also, should mention nice safety features. If hopefully not, but if you ever were operating the boat by yourself and fell out, you've got a way to get back in. So we did the optional rear seating, which is pretty unique because, again, if you're going to use it for playing and stuff, we've got a full cushion set that goes all the way across the transom here. But if you're going to do some more fishing, under that center cushion, I'll show you in a minute, is a live well. And so what you'll normally do then is leave these cushions at home and then just take advantage of the flip-up seats that are in each corner here on the stern, and leaving the rest of the platform open for casting and walking on, things like that. Additional rod holders on that center backrest, which is handy. Got a nice large reversible pilot seat here that's actually a built-in cooler as well. So no matter which way you face it, you've got a nice backrest, but also keep cold drinks at hand. I mentioned earlier the rear live well, which is, I believe it's 30 gallons. It's large with built-in drain and everything, so it's all recirculating. In-gunnel storage here. Lots of rod storage on the side of the console as well. Really nicely laid out helm area with room to mount electronics on top of the console. We do have tilt wheel, and of course that's hydraulic steering. It's not the manual steering. A lot of guys will save some money on. We've got the Mercury hydraulic steering there. All Mercury controls. Nice complement of gauges. Gives you tachometer, speedometer, volt, fuel meter, even a trim gauge. Get a little catch-all for cell phones and lures and stuff like that right here. Boat does have the optional interior lighting package, so if you stay out a little bit later, or if you go early morning, you do have a way to have some courtesy lights inside of the boat. Moving up front, you'll see a nice, abundant casting platform with an easy step. You don't have that high step to get into the casting area up there. These are all open for storage. You want to bring some extra additional rods and everything with you, you can do that. Nice gas strut holds it open, so you don't have to worry about slamming on you. This is a nice, again, stainless latches. Plenty of storage here in this boat. Nice kind of a diamond texture on the boat, so you have good grip. Got the optional forward fishing seat. If you choose to add a trolling motor, we've already got the mount there, as well as the wiring is all there. We just have to plug batteries in and plug in the motor and you're good to go. Dedicated bow anchor locker. Keep your ground gear stored that way so it's not sliding around on the deck. Again, for a 21-foot boat, lots of room inside. Very versatile, very user-friendly. Nice T-top with the white powder coating. Has kind of a nice custom look to it. This is your forward live well. Again, plenty of place to keep bait, or if you're going to catch and cull fish, you can do that as well. Of course, typical bay boat, you do have a self-bailing cockpit, so any water that comes in here is going to drain directly overboard. So, really excited to have this boat in stock. Happy to invite you down to let you review it in person. Again, my name is Mike Dyson. If I can ever help you, happy to do so. My number is 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.